Guys, a quick one here. Let me just show you a simple trade how I was able to take this trade using the fair value gap, and let me just show you what happened here. So I came to the daily time frame, guys. I noticed that we had this point of interest here, this fair value gap around here, and looking at it, we already had here to be like a bearish candlestick. So I was now looking at this fair value gap here and this fair value gap here. So I asked myself, which one is going to attract which one is price going to get closer or faster to. So I looked at this level, and I know that we are in an uptrend market, and price was actually selling down to fill up an imbalance or just balance of price action. So if we are actually going to continue, we have to continue bullish to this fair value gap. Then I saw something on the 4 hours which happened here. But before then, I noticed that we had a sweep of liquidity below the daily time frame. So you can see the sweep of liquidity below the daily time frame, and I know that since we've swept this liquidity, then price is naturally coming back to this imbalance. So we'll be going to the next imbalance where I have my take profit. So I went down to the 4 hours, and I saw this fair value gap here on the 4 hours. So I knew that from this fair value gap we should have a continuation in price action. So I went back to as low as the 1 minute to look for my entry confirmation, which on the 1 minute I got one here, although it was looking somehow. So if I should zoom in, you can see that as soon as price traded above this last high, let me show you. Sorry guys. So as soon as price traded above here, because this one, you will see this one was more like a double bottom, but you can see call this the most recent high is what we are actually looking out for. So we are looking out for price to break the most recent high that was formed. So this was the most recent high around there. So as soon as price broke this high here, I had my shifting market structure to the upside. So I met price around this level when we have actually pushed a little bit above these highs, which was like a good confirmation for me. So I entered here around this level. Then I had my stop loss to be below this fair value gap. Normally I'm supposed to risk to this low, so I just wanted to minimize the risk down to $2, and yeah, from there I target this daily fair value gap. So that's just it. So I'll be dropping the videos on how I took 3 trades using fair value gap, and I also like you to continue from there to get more insights on how to trade using fair value gaps.